this BJP, particularly Prime Minister and Mr. Amit Shaha, they are trying how to tarnish the image of Congress party and more particularly Madam Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi ji, including Priyanka Gandhi ji. As he had already explained, in entire country, the BJP has not scared anybody else except Congress party. Their agenda, instead of thinking about how to give employment and how to do development for the poor section of the country, they are thinking 24-hour how to tarnish the image of Congress party. This is their agenda. Right from the very beginning, they know their party, this NDA government, and wherever any BJP government, including Manipur, they know they will not last. They could not rule the country last until unless if they are trying to finish the Congress party and also the integrity and the solidarity and the respect of Gandhi family. Everybody they knows. The entire country have full faith to the Gandhi families. So they know now this is their last agenda and the last tool. How to finish this Congress party and this particularly Gandhi family. That's why they are trying to finish Congress party. They cannot finish. And they cannot finish the Gandhi family. Everybody knows that there is a truth. Truth always prevails. Now, they are trying to malign and they are trying to false propaganda, false fabricated materials. Now there is a court ultimately. ED has given timeline, people should have to be submit. ED tribunal, that is also, you know, this is also court. What has given directive within these days, within these 3 months or maybe 4 months, you people should have to be submit charge sheet against Madam Sonia Gandhi and Rahul ji and their family members about national hero or young India, all this will definitely disclose on the trial court. The fact will remain always there. So as a Congress party and as a Congress worker, we are not scared of this BJP and Narendra Modi, Amit Shaha, who was running both at the center and the state. We will fight definitely until the justice is got. So I really appreciate Mr. Methu came here and briefed the idea about this BJP allegation, false propaganda. So this is a part of our party's national agenda. This is not only clarification here in Manipur. I think each and every state at the same time we are not only, this is not only defending, we would like to clarify it not only today, after these days also we will try to clarify it's in every constituency, it's in every board to the people of Manipur. And this is purely false allegation of the BJP.